Hello! In this video, I'm going to show you how you can compare your sleep stats with community sleep stats on the Sleep as Android app. To compare your sleep stats with the community, go right here, then tap on your stats, and you can look at your sleep score from this day, from your previous days. Then you can tap right here, it's going to show community right here, and the name of your preferred community. And here you can compare with different communities the average sleep stats that they may have. As you can see, the world, the United States, the amount of people that are registered, and just scroll down to your preferred community you want to compare with. Just compare to however much you like. Tapping here will open informations in the browser. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.